What's up, people? Yes, sir. As you can tell, I'm dealing with an M156 engine, and I already replaced my head bolts 2 weeks ago. And today we're here to replace the camshaft adjusters. So keep an eye on what's going on. I can't really explain much. I can't stop and be talking to you much. You feel me? All I want to do is go straight to this. Dig, 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 poop, poop, poop. Finish. So follow. Okay, so this an M156 engine, and it's a long story, but it first started off with a coolant leak, and fuck, what I'm trying to get this battery so I can get the light on it. So yeah, so it first started with a coolant leak, and I ended up doing my head bolt, and after doing the head bolt, my timing was off a little bit, but I know the mistake that I made, and now I'm going to take the heads off to replace the bent valves or the open valves, and I might do the timing chain too. Not really sure, but I might. So let's take a look. So this is the driver's side. On the driver's side, this valve right here, as you can tell, it's closed. Let me get it right. Here also, it's closed. Here as well, it's closed. Here too, it's, hold on, let me get this light in. I'm trying to get, all right, so yeah, it's closed. It's closed. Let me see the other side. And when it comes to the passenger side, which is this side, cylinder 5. Actually, cylinder 1. This is cylinder 1. This is closed. This is stack open. I don't know if you can see it, but it's open. Yeah, you see it, right? It's open. This is closed, but a little bit almost open. This too. So actually I didn't get, it's been blurry, but yeah, I'll make sure I get a good video next time. So for the startup, I'm all set. M156. It's all set, done and ready to start. Yes, sir. It's quick, nigga. We back on the road. Yeah, there's gonna be smoke because of oil. Yo, I can't believe it, bro.